Greetings! In this video I want to show you how to do a factory reset on a Toshiba Fire TV. As a matter of fact, this will work with any Fire TV, not just Toshiba. And we'll show you how to do it with the remote control and without the remote control. So, for example, let's say your screen is broken or it's cracked, you got a black screen problem, and you want to donate it or hawk it. You want to make sure your personal information is not on there, all your apps. So a factory reset will make it wipe all that out. So to do it without the remote, only thing you have to do is, first thing to do is unplug it from the wall. Okay, and we're going to wait about a minute. And then while it's still unplugged, we're going to hold down the power button for 1 minute. Okay, as we're holding it down, it's been a minute, what we're going to do is we're going to plug it back in while still holding down the power button simultaneously. So it's plugged in, and I want to do this another minute. So basically I'm holding the power button down for a total of 2 minutes. Once a minute unplugged while still holding it down, and then a minute plugged, and then I'm going to let go, and that should have done a full factory reset. Now, to do it with the remote, you want to make sure it's powered on. And to know it's powered on, you're going to press the power button, and then this little red light should start blinking. And then you should see a little red light on the side usually, but not always. You want to make sure that there's fresh batteries in your remote, and you can press down on it and that should light up. If not, put some new batteries on there to make sure it's being reset. The first way to reset it is to hold down the play button, which is right here, and then the select button, which is basically the center here. And we're going to hold the play and the select while pointing towards the TV being on, and we're going to hold that down for a good 30 seconds and then let go. And that should reset it. Okay. Now what I want you to do is go ahead and unplug it, plug it back in. That should have reset it. To make triple sure that your Fire TV is reset, you're going to hold down the return button, which is this little arrow here, and the forward select button, those two. Point it, and we're going to hold that down for 30 seconds while the TV is on, and then release it, and then that should reset it, and you should be good to go. If for whatever reason you're frightened that your apps are still activated on the TV, go to each individual account on your tablet or your phone or on the computer, and make sure that you go to each one and you go to the account. And from the account, you can go down to security. And then from security, you can go down to device. And you should locate the device, and you should be able to find your Toshiba Fire TV. And then what you can do is you can remove it, and that will get rid of any communication with your account. Or you can download it. The ones I'd be concerned about is the Prime TV. Like I said, if you got Prime, because you don't want them to be able to buy things, which is usually difficult to do, but they could still maybe do it, buy things through your Prime account. That's one. Two would be Google for YouTube. That one I would be concerned about, and then Roku. Those three individual ones I would try, and Spotify would be a good ones to go to make sure that they're not linked anymore. All right, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.